Alright, we got a busy day again today. We have some helmets to wrap. We have some installs for Rob Mazza for Mazza Paving. A ton of t-shirts to print. So as you can see, we got shirts for Derek Long going, Pex Auto. We have the Pex Auto shirts going right now. Fronts are on. Gonna set up the backs here in a few minutes. Out back here, we got vinyl graphics for an install for dynamic drywall. We also have the graphics for Rob Mazza's new trailer and truck. Over here we got some stuff ready to go out. We got some banners for Oval Works. A bunch of our C-wraps here. And then of course embroidery. A ton of that going on right now. We got a bunch of race team hats going for our online shops. Different drivers. Oh, and we got a new one for our new customer, Roberts Electric. The embroidery looks super sharp.
Now we're going to get some embroidery set up, get the SKU numbers on these hats for the online shop, get them over to Earl so we can start embroidering. We got a ton of awesome embroideries running right now for different racers.
Earl, I paused the Wilcox one. I think the outline's supposed to be pink, but I'm not sure.
Now I'm going to head out to the screen print department, give Seth a quick hand. He's printing up some shirts for Allegheny Limestone Middle School class of 2032. So doubling up on the press, getting up this speed a little bit so we can knock these out on time. It's all hands on deck. We recently had one of our heat presses take a shit, so Moe's got a new one set up.
How's the press?
Good.
So when you heat these, it doesn't leave residue?
No. I think that it's stick that right
Oh. I tried doing that, and it left a bunch of adhesive on it. Oh, you take it off before you heat press.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. I was wondering how you were doing that. I tried it once and it ruined the shirt.
Embroidery's still running strong, and in the back, Derek's going to start wrapping one of these stock car helmets. These helmets take about, let's say, 4 to 5 hours, probably from start to completion, including all the trim and post heating. But they come out absolutely sick when they're done. Next up on the docket, Derek and Moe head to Mazza Paving to do some graphics on their truck that got crashed and one of their brand new trailers they just picked up. They did have a lot of adhesive from the decals that were on the trailer previously, so we had to remove those before getting started.
So if you want to do the truck, I can start this, getting the rest of that off. If you want to go around and tape up like the back. The other side we might have to double team a little bit. You got that one lined up? You want to throw it on while I peel this off? We'll just have that one side left. How are you?
That's the wrong name.
It's what you're getting. What's new?
Is he gonna put anything here?
Not on the front, no. It's the sides and the back. So what happened to it?
Took out the fender,
Yeah.
bent the door post, and wrecked the door.
Jeez.
$5,000 worth of damage.
It honestly doesn't sound. I expected it to be more.
I did too, but
Where did you go?
J&R.
Nice. What kind of phone did you get?
I got an iPhone 16.
Nice. How do you like it?
Oh, I love it. I had an iPhone before, but it was a number 8.
Oh, really?
It was an old one, you know. Seems nice to have the updated version. And,
Yeah.
it really works.
I'm surprised the 8 still even worked.
What's that?
I'm surprised the iPhone 8 still worked.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No, obviously you don't.
Not anymore. I would keep it off this fender if you can, because it's gross.